Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the topic classification of acid and base. First, we will discuss the classification of acid. Classification of acid is mainly divided into three types on the basis of origin. First, on the basis of origin, classification of acid is classified into two types. First, organic acid and mineral acid. Organic acid, those acids which are obtained from nature. For example, lactic acid, tartaric acid, and oxalic acid, etc. Second, mineral acid. Acid which are formed in laboratory or which can obtain by minerals. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, HNO3. Now we will discuss the classification of acid on the basis of strength. Classification of acid on the basis of strength. On the basis of strength, acid is classified into the two types. First, strong acid and weak acid. Strong acid, acid which completely ionize in water. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and HNO3, nitric acid, etc. These three acids are come in strong acid. Other than this, all acids are come in weak acid. Second, weak acid. Acid which does not completely ionize in water. For example, CH3COOH, H3PO4, H2CO3, etc. Now, classification of acid on the basis of concentration. On the basis of concentration, acid is mainly classified into two types: dilute acid and concentrated acid. Acid solution acid in which the dilute acid in which the less amount of acid is mixed with more amount of water. Second, concentrated acid. in which more amount of acid is mixed with less amount of water. Now the classification of base. Classification of base is mainly divided into two types, on the basis of strength and on the basis of concentration. First, on the basis of strength. On the basis of strength, base is classified into two types, strong base and weak base. First, strong base. The base which completely ionized in water is called strong base. For example, NaOH and KOH, etc. These two bases are coming strong base. Other than this are coming weak base. Second, weak base. Base which does not completely ionize in water. For example, MgOH, CaOH whole twice, etc. Now classification of base on the basis of concentration. On the basis of concentration, base is classified into two types. First, dilute base. Dilute base, in which less amount of water is added to more amount of water is added to less amount of acid. Base, sorry. Second, concentrate base. In this, more amount of acid is mixed with less amount of water. Thank you.